So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can increase the ringtone sound on your iOS iPhones, on any iPhone on the latest iOS26 as well, or if the previous versions as well. You can do the same process. For example, now in order to do it, just simply open the settings of your iPhone. In the settings, scroll down until you see this option of sound and haptics. Now once you go over there, here you'll see this option of ringtone and alerts. That's the particular sound control for the ringtones of your iPhone. Now just simply customize it as per your need. If you want to increase it, if you want to decrease it, you can do that from here only. Now again, if you want to change that particular thing with your volume control buttons as well, all you need to do is just simply turn this option now on. Now once you press the volume control buttons, it will not change the media sound, it will directly change the ringtone and alert sounds. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.